What's going on YouTube? My name is Ty, and today I'm answering a question today really quickly. And I saw on Quora, which is really interesting. I guess some people don't know this, some people do. So the question is, can I quit my day job and earn a living online? Now you could do both. You could quit your job and earn a living online, but I wouldn't advise you do that. While you have your day job, I would work on your side hustle when you're off work. I wouldn't do it. I wouldn't quit my job, then do it because it takes a long time to make money. You can't make money online within a day. You can't make money online within 3, 4 weeks. This is a long going process. So, the younger you are, the better you are off because when you're 19, 20, you don't have responsibilities of a 30-year-old. So I would keep my job. How I would get if I was a young person, I would get two jobs. Yeah, I would get two jobs. 'Cause I had two jobs when I was younger as well. I would get two jobs and just work both jobs, and then my day off, write me some articles for my blog and shoot some videos because those articles need a lot of time to mature and a lot of time to get ranked. So you start at 19 and you do maybe one post a week. By the time you're 22, 23, that post will be ranking. And you're still a young person, you work at two jobs, and writing one article should take no longer than 2 hours to do it. So the younger you are, the better you are off. But if you're an older person, you can't quit your job because you got house note or you got apartment, pay rent, you got bills to pay, car insurance, car loans, credit card, cell phone, light bill, water bill. So you really can't cut. You can't really can't quit your job. I wouldn't quit your job. And even if you make money online, you have a blog, whatever, making five, 10,000 a month. I still quit my job. I quit my job after you paid your house off, after you paid some cars off, your credit cards off, loans off. You got a nice chunk of change in the bank, and and with that one site, I would go ahead and create me another site and create me another site. I'll have two to three sites making me decent money. I would just quit your job. I would make sure that all my bills taken care of, the house is paid for, all that good stuff. Because when you're making money online, you have another option. You're not relying on this job. So your day job becomes easier because you know that if they push you off to a point and you want to quit, you can. You don't have to stay there if you don't want to. So um, that's my philosophy. So I wouldn't quit your day job. I would keep working it, and it's your job is a source of income. That's one source. The blog is a second source of income. YouTube, third source of income. So you want multiple streams of income. You want money coming in from different angles. So I wouldn't quit your day job unless you could pay off your house, you could pay off your car notes, car loans, credit cards, loans, student loans, whatever. And if you're making that much money, I will still create a second, third site, create a second, third stream of income to diversify your income. It's like buying stocks. You don't want to rely on one stock, two stocks. You want a portfolio of stocks in case one goes down, you're not screwed. So if that one site gets hit over something and you lose half your traffic, half your income, what are you going to do? So the good thing is start one site, keep your day job, start one site, get that profitable. Once that site's profitable, it's pretty much run on autopilot. You can start your second site and start a third site. Now, if you have three websites making you money, then I could probably quit my job. I'll make sure I'm financially secure first, everything's paid off, money in the bank, because if something happens to the websites and you do need to get a job, you be better off because everything's paid for, you have money saved up, and you can find a day job anywhere if you need to. Push come to shove, but yeah, I wouldn't do it right now. I would just keep your day job because I'm telling you, if you run a blog, your job will be easier. I'm telling you, because this blog will make you money in the future, and your blog already make you some money, or you trying to make you some money. Work becomes easier because you're not reliant on your job for income. you can quit whenever you want to if they push you off to that point. So I wouldn't quit my day job. I would keep it as long as I can, save as much money as I can, pay off debt as much as I can, and move forward from there. So my name is Ty, and my blog is thexking.com. And I also was going to start running my bowling blog, which I didn't let go. I just abandoned it for like 2-3 years, but I'm going to get back on that site and post content on that site. And that's my second site. So it's called rotogrip.org. So check out both of those sites, thexking.com, rotogrip.org, and check those sites out. That's what I'm doing right now, working with 2 sites every day to get them profitable so I can quit my job one day, but not no time soon. My name is Ty with thexking.com. Thanks for watching.